I'm Justin Roy. I'm a bike mechanic and a drummer, I've been here about a year and a bit now, about a year and a half, I'd say. Well, I've been a bike mechanic for about, on and off, about 10 years now. Everybody knows United Cycle, so it's just always one of the shops that I've wanted to work at. So I was going to say mostly just because it's a family, it's a lot more, you notice that, it's a lot more family oriented. I would say, like, if I could, it's on par with my career in the sense that I would love to be a full-time professional musician, just as much as I love being a full-time professional bike mechanic. I would, I'd love them. That's why I have them tied together. That's why I'm a bike mechanic as well, because they go really well together, and because they're the two passions I say I have. It's definitely been my first time ever having merch for any band. Just any of my bands, really. I mean, I've had bands that have had a shirt or two, but none that I've been a part of that I got to design and or pick out and be proud of. So it was definitely really cool. I'm pretty sure every one of our fans have a shirt or a hoodie now at this point.